All right, that felt warranted after today's massive trading day that you're going to learn all about. What's going on, Money Team? It's your boy Jade on Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you all had a discipline-filled trading day. In today's trade recap, I have something special for you. A strategy that is not only easily learned, but even more easily applied, and it made me over $3,000 today trading options and futures. You can use it on NQ, QQQ, SPY, ES, or any individual stock name of your choice. So that being said, if you guys do get some value from this video, all I ask is you tap in, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and take some notes because you are about to learn. Now, first and foremost, what is rule number one of how Jadon trades? We always wait the first 15 minutes because what happens in the first 15 minutes? Typically, destruction to your account. So after the first 15, we always want to mark out our top of range. So that would be right here on today's candles. And then our low of range, which was right here. Now, I just released a 20-minute video breaking down exactly how to trade the opening range breakout after the first 15 minutes. That's on my bigger YouTube channel. It's very value-packed, and I highly recommend after this, you go watch it. But for the meantime, we're breaking down today's trade. So you guys can see here that we initially broke down, right? We tried to test highs, failed. Lower high, and then aggressive move down backed by volume, okay? Now, the reason that I don't initially take this downside or breakdown is because I always wait for a 5-minute close below our orb level. So I want to see us come down, close the 5-minute. Well, in between these candlesticks, I don't like how we're aggressively pushing back up, and I don't like how on this close here, we push back into this, right? Our volume at this point is going down, and so I want to personally wait until we get volume confirmation. I'm a VPA trader, so I don't just trade price action. I trade some ICT concepts, but my strategy uses price action and volume and set strategies that I've learned over my 9 years of trading experience. So I personally wait. I see this candle down, and on this aggressive move back up, right, I see that even though it's a big green candle, we have minimal buying volume. So what does that tell me? It tells me that we have an anomaly in price here. So if this doesn't hold, I'm going to short this pop up, keep my stops above the highs, and ride this down. And that's exactly what I did. We popped this up off of data, right? I don't enter up here. I wait for this candle to confirm lower. I end up entering these shorts live in Team Bull around 456.6 on QQQ. I keep my stop above this candle wick high, so we have about 40, 50 cents worth of risk, a little more. And I want to ride this to first low of day and second to pre-market low, both of which were hit, and I held for nearly the entire move. I posted the exact video on my Instagram at JadeOnTrades. You can see it there. So point of this being is that we enter here, right? Let's pull this up so you guys can learn this. Okay, we enter here around 456.6 area. That was the main ad. If you had a higher risk ad, you added a little lower. Our risk was 70 cents. And so all we needed to make this a 2R trade was a move to not even low a day. So anytime you can find a risk-defined trade where you risk X amount and your target to, a specified target where low a day, high a day, pre-market low, 15-minute high, pre-market high, whatever it may be, I love having those specified targets because it gives us easy risk parameters. If I know that I have it $2.50 to low of day, at that point I know, okay, well I can risk $1, $1.25, and this can still be a 2R trade, as you see here, right? You can still have it be a 2R trade with more risk on the table. And that's how I want you guys thinking, is I want you guys thinking in terms of risk from now on. I don't want you thinking, how much can I make on this trade? I want you thinking, how much can I lose? I don't want you guys being money makers. I want you being risk managers because that's what's going to keep you in this game a long time. I went on a little rant earlier on my Instagram where, it's the minds of traders have been manipulated. because of these prop firms. And again, I have nothing against prop firms. I owned one, for hell's sake. I know exactly what they look like. I know what the data is. And soon, I'm going to be helping you guys pass your challenges. That's besides the point. The point is that people are posting these massive days from these firms when in reality, the only thing that matters is payouts. It doesn't matter how many accounts you copy trade, how many accounts, how much you make on your sim account in one day. What matters is that payout amount. So me trading live money, making over $1,000 a day, that's basically getting a payout every day. A $5,000 payout every week, $10,000 payout every week. I'm looking towards a 5 to 10K week this week. You get the point. So I want you guys focused on small, consistent gains, on realistic gains, and eventually you scale up. Trust me, my biggest day ever is $88,000. I've had consistent $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 days, and the reason why I've been focused on our multiple and having consistent 1 to 2K days, 3K days like today is it's much less stressful and it's very sustainable. It's a happy life. And for me, and I think most people, if you could make 1 to 2, 3K a day and have it be simple and keep your losses to a minimum, it's pretty sweet to me. It's freedom to me. It also allows me to keep my discipline in check. It allows me to build my mental while sustaining income in the market. So that's how I look at things. My angle's a little different, but I think that it's one that a lot of people share, but a lot of people don't talk about. So that being said, I hope you guys like the trade recap. Again, let me know in the comments what you guys want to see more of, less of. I have a ton of good education on the way for you. And if you've been looking to learn from Team Bull in person, all I'm going to say is there might be something coming up soon. I'll see you guys in the next video.